Integration in logical learning.
Today's topic: landforms. A landform is a feature on the Earth's surface that is part of the terrain. Landform generating forces: endogenic and exogenic. Endogenic force is below the Earth's surface and exogenic force is on above the Earth's surface. Types of landforms. There are three types of landforms: mountain, plateaus and plains. Now let's learn about all these landforms. Mountain. A mountain is a landform which rises above the altitude of 900 meters. It is the highest elevated landform. The types of mountain: fold mountain, block mountain, volcanic mountain, relict mountain. What are the characteristics? Mountain has steep slopes. It covered with snow, high elevated landmass, volcanism, earthquake takes place. Plateau. A plateau is a landform with a flat top raised high above the mean sea level with steep slopes. The height of the plateaus vary between 300 to 900 meters. Types of plateau: continental plateau, intermountain plateau, volcanic plateau, Piedmont plateau. Characteristics: flat top known as tableland. It has steep slope and it stores house of minerals. Plain. A plain is a flat, low-lying landmass extended over a huge area of land on the Earth's surface. The height of the plain is less than 300 meters. Types of plains: structural plain, depositional plain, erosional plain. Characteristics: low relief, gentle slope and horizontal in nature. Mountains. Fold mountains are mountains that form mainly by the effects of folding on layers within the upper part of the Earth's crust. Fold mountains are of two types: young fold mountain and old fold mountain. Block mountains are formed when two tectonic plates move away from each other, causing cracks on the surface of the Earth. The block of land between them may be raised, resulting in the formation of block mountains. The upward block is called a horst. Block mountains are also formed when the crust of the Earth sinks on both sides of two parallel faults. Therefore, a block mountain can be found between two rift valleys. Volcanic mountains are formed when molten rock or magma deep within the earth erupts and piles up on the surface. Magma is called lava when it breaks through the earth's crust. When the ash and lava cools, it builds a cone of rock. Rock and lava pile up layer on top of the layer. Example: Mount Fujiyama in Japan. Relict mountain. Relict or residual mountains are formed from already existing mountains, which are lowered or reduced by agents of denudation such as running water, ice, and wind. Residual mountains are therefore the remains of already existing mountains. Example: Aravalli in India. Types of plateaus. Intermountain plateau. Plateaus located in between mountain is called intermountain plateau. Tibetan plateau lies between Himalayas and Kunlun mountain. Volcanic plateau. Plateaus formed by volcanic lava depositions are called volcanic plateau. Deccan Plateau of India is the example. Massive tableland formed by the uplift movement of land by tectonic movement is called continental plateau. They spread over a huge area. Arabian Plateau is one of the continental plateau. Plateaus formed between a mountain range and a coastal plain at the foothills of a mountain is called Piedmont Plateau. Plateaus at the foothills of Appalachians is one of them. Types of plains. Erosional plain. These plains are formed by leveling of highland. The leveling of land is performed by the action of wind, rain, river and ice. Peneplain is formed by river erosion. Periplain is formed by wind erosion. Depositional plain. These plains are formed by the deposition of materials brought down by various agents like river, wind, glacier, etc. Alluvium plain is one of them. Structural plain. These plains are normally formed by upliftment of huge extensive lowland on Earth's surface. Example, coastal plains of India. Here are some importances of landform. Mountain. Protects from foreign attacks. Produces snow-fed rivers. The rivers help in producing hydroelectricity. Helps in the development of tourism. Many important natural trees are found in mountains. Plateau. Comfortable climate is found in plateau region. Plateaus have fertile soil, helps in agriculture. Storehouse of different types of minerals. Plains. Lowland helps in the development of cities and towns. Road and railway system can be developed efficiently. Agriculture is practiced due to river deposits. Industry development takes place due to agriculture and population.